The gray heron is a magnificent bird that thrives in wetlands, playing a crucial role in maintaining their delicate ecosystem. This video explores the importance of these vital habitats and how the gray heron contributes to their health and balance. The gray heron is a common heron that is often found in Europe, Asia, and Africa. They are often shy on the ground. In the air they fly with long, slow, and surprisingly loud wing beats. They are patient and, similar to kingfishers, they will stand still next to a pond for a long time before actually going for a fish with their powerful beaks. Although they mainly eat fish, they also eat other aquatic vertebrates. It's easy to recognize a heron, especially when it's in flight, from its long legs, which are stuck out behind it in flight. The gray heron has long legs and a long neck. It is nearly 84 to 102 centimeters tall, has a 175 to 195 centimeters wingspan, and weighs 1 to 2 kilograms. Its plumage is mostly pale gray with slate-colored remiges, 2 thin black stripes running along the neck, 2 thick black stripes on the sides, whitish cheeks, and 2 tufts of black feathers above the eye. The juvenile has a generally less contrasted plumage, lacking the whitish tones on the head. The adult has an orange bill, which becomes particularly bright in the breeding season, whilst the juvenile's bill is grayish above and orange below. During the breeding season, the adult develops long plumes on the chest and back. The gray heron, Ardea cinerea, is a long-legged wading bird of the heron family. Ardeidae, native throughout temperate Europe and Asia, and also parts of Africa. It is resident in much of its range, but some populations from the more northern parts migrate southwards in autumn. A bird of wetland areas, it can be seen around lakes, rivers, ponds, marshes, and on the seacoast. It feeds mostly on aquatic creatures which it catches after standing stationary beside or in the water, or stalking its prey through the shallows. Gray herons feed mainly on amphibians and fish, especially eels. They also prey on other birds' chicks. They hunt by slowly stalking along the shore and then snatching their prey with their bill. Though they usually feed in shallow water, they may also hunt in fields and meadow, taking small mammals such as mice and voles and reptiles such as lizards. These herons nest in trees and reed beds, most often near bodies of water such as marshes and lakes. They nest in colonies and their nests are made of twigs. Nesting occurs from February to May. The clutch consists of 4 to 5 bluish eggs, which both gender incubate for 25 to 26 days. It takes about 2 months for the chicks to fledge, but they stick around their parents for another couple of weeks before becoming fully independent. The gray heron is commonly found in all kinds of wetlands, lakes, marshes, and rivers, in most of Eurasia and Africa. It is found both in freshwater and brackish water habitats, and commonly occurs in rural and urban areas. Some populations are migratory, wintering in Africa and the Mediterranean. Gray herons have the ability to live in cities where habitats and nesting space are available. In the Netherlands, it has established itself over the past decades in great numbers in urban environments. In cities such as Amsterdam, they are ever-present and well-adapted to modern city life. They hunt as usual, but also visit street markets and snack bars. Some individuals make use of people feeding them at their homes or share the catch of recreational fishermen. Similar behavior on a smaller scale has been reported in Ireland. Garden ponds stocked with ornamental fish are attractive to herons, and the easy prey may provide young birds with a learning opportunity on how to hunt. Herons have been observed visiting water enclosures in zoos, such as spaces for penguins, otters, pelicans, and seals, and taking food meant for the animals on display. In a variety of sources, one can find a common statement that gray herons, by eating large quantities of fish, is a significant pest to fisheries, causing damage to the population of valuable fish both in natural reservoirs and in ponds intended for the cultivation of cultivated fish species.